In this demo, we will showcase the new feature, Reporting Template. This will help customers and MSSP partners to create multiple types of reports from a single place, boosting admin productivity. Launch Sonic Platform by visiting platform.sonicwall.com. Log in using the My SonicWall credentials and pass the two-factor authentication by clicking Next. We're now logged into Sonic Platform, SonicWall's unified management console. Click on the Firewalls menu on the left navigation pane for the NSM user interface. Navigate to Reports. You'll notice a new option, Report Templates. To begin, we'll create a new reporting template by clicking Add. All the report types are made available for you. We may select options for management reports, or select the reporting and analytics categories available. Name the template and select required reports. For this demo, I have selected productivity reports and a few more. Then click Create. Now that we have the report template ready, let's navigate to Report Rules to start using it for your report configurations. Click Add Rule to create a new report rule. You will see a new option of Report Template. Click Next. You have an option of choosing between individual reporting or the new Report Template drop-down option. Provide a name for your report and select the report template to be used. Click Next to proceed. Here select Tenant or Firewall Group or Individuals Firewalls and click Next. The reports can either be scheduled report or created on demand. Select the delivery type archive or email and click Next. Validate the details and save. We now have a scheduled report created. From Action, you can also run and download the report. Let's click on Generate Report now. The report is successfully created and will be available for you to download.